What it do, people? My boy Jay stopped by. Want me to hit these 212s in his truck. Finna see what it sound like. What's the word? Huh? Nah.
Oh, yeah, one don't like green like that, ain't it?
That my kinfolk truck.
Oh, don't whip your head one like that.
Yeah.
Check that bitch out.
Yeah, that my boy Jay that build the 40 boxes and shit, man. He cold at it. That you seduce every man this time you won't seduce me. You're saying that's okay. Hey baby, do as you please. I have the stuff that you want. I am the thing that you need. She looked me deep in the eyes. She touching me from the start. She says there's no turning back. She got me. Hey, boy.
Huh?
Them hoes breathing back there, boy.
Keep it certified, you're the sin, I tell them not to rob. Pop out 2020, calling in, I'm riding in a spot. Most people hate that I'm on top, I bulletproof the car. All the men was made free bags, I pack, look like they cracking card. Turn up for a fact, I keep it real, you still ain't take the chart. Why she talking crazy about me like I don't do more than my part?
Sound good. So what you gotta do now? You got a power problem?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a C-max on this bitch. Them batteries ain't gonna hold this motherfucker.
What it's dropping down to? I noticed you keep like you'll turn it up and then turn it back down with the voltage
I'm
dropping.
turn that bitch up. Change the bass on that line on that bitch. I'm gonna turn that motherfucker up.
Boy, this bitch breathing in here, boy. Ooh, the 212 jamming.
Listen to this rock and roll.
Let y'all see. Looking good, old Chevy. Y'all see that? He gotta mess with his voltage. This mud jamming, man. He gotta get that voltage up though, so we'll probably do another one once he get that voltage up where he can really let it perform.
But
teasing that bitch right now.
Yeah. He just teasing it right now. Yeah, but this my boy Jay right here, y'all. Man, around here he known for the ported boxes. He do a lot of ported boxes and they always come out successful. This truck, y'all see that? Man, he did a couple of for me, a couple of my partners. I mean, he done boxes for a lot of people. He cold at it. This truck jamming. What 12s them is? Death Bumps Apocalypse?
Yeah, 3012.
3012?
Yeah, 3,000 RMS a piece.
3,000 RMS a piece. And what you got on them?
8,000 marks.
8,000 marks. Let me see. Got 8,000 marks. Oh, that mud nice. It got the little voltage on it and everything, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Why you ain't hook up your inverter? You ain't feel like fucking with it, huh?
Hook up.
Oh shit. Okay, I ain't see the wires over there.
Put your light there when you working on some shit.
Yeah. I already know why you had it right there, cause that's some shit I do.
Yeah.
Got that old inverter. That look like the old reliable too, boy.
Yeah, OG.
It done been through hell.
Hell yeah.
Still kicking.
Hell
Yeah,
yeah.
already. That boy got a nice little stand set up back here. And right here on the side, these are compartments. He can open this up and he got batteries in there. But he only got 2 batteries in here right now. So he finna upgrade to, what you finna put, the C-Max? Yeah, he finna put a C-Max in here, y'all. Yeah, but he got 2 of them bad boys there. Yeah, he jamming. It must sound good. Once he get his voltage up, he gonna come back by. We gonna do another video and then show y'all the difference when that voltage get up. But yeah, little console, little tweeters, 2 EQs. Y'all know how we do it. Yeah. Gotta have them 2
Gotta
EQs.
control that
man.
shit.
Yeah, you gotta control that shit. Yeah. Jay got the.
Can have that shit blending in.
Yeah. Square business.
It should be blending like a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Basic, you know what I'm saying?
Everything.
That shit crossed off.
Everything beating tweeters, smoking.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, y'all, man, shit, this my boy Jay stopped through. Shit, man, y'all in H-Town or wherever you at, you need them boxes built. He do it too, it be him. And I got my boy Derek. But like I say, he got the configuration on them ported boxes. You want you some ported, slamming, and whatever. He got it. But yeah, holla at y'all later, man.
Put a 10K on the pole. That be the shit.
So you gonna take them out
Put the 35 to it.
and put the 35 Death Bumps 12s and put a 10K with the C-Max. Say, I ain't gonna lie, boy. Hey, I ain't gonna lie.
That bitch will be winded in,
Hey,
boy.
say y'all, I'm telling y'all, man, this whole SUV back there, I'm telling y'all, just wait. Watch what me and him put together in this thing back here. Y'all just wait. I'm telling you, man.
3512.
So he talking about taking them 2 out, going to the 35 Death Bumps 12s.
Big bitch.
They bigger than them.
They make.
The biggest ones they make. And then take the 8K out and put a 10K and take the AMG batteries out and put a C-Max. He finna bust this back window out. See, I'ma tell y'all why it's so funny to us. Cause he really had got out the music game. He just liked to build boxes and see other people jam. You know what I'm saying? Got the more airplane. Yeah. Some grown mans. Hey.
It's about this tall.
Hey, see, fucking with me. He done came back out. I be talking shit to him. He done came back out.
He gonna fuck around and give me a Suburban, get on his ass all the way.
Oh shit. See, here we go. I'm telling y'all, man, it's gonna be a bass competition around this motherfucker.
Oh, Yukon.
All right.
Give me a Yukon XL.
Okay.
615s.
Damn.
Some cheap shit. Q
See,
power. I go old school
now
on your ass.
see what the fuck he finna make me do? He finna make me
put some
take
cheese
them
in that
them
motherfucker.
812s that I got and them
I
two
put some cheap shit in
8Ks
that bitch.
and put all that shit in there
Some cheap shit.
and come on with it. That's what he finna make me do.
I put some cheap shit in that motherfucker, some Q Power 12s, and cut up. With 1 amp on all of them bitches.
God damn.
You think it'll do it? It'll do it. Some cheap
Hey,
shit.
some cheap shit.
One thing what costing that bitch an amp.
No bullshit. And the batteries.
And the batteries.
Batteries.
That's
No
my
bull-
time.
The motherfucking batteries, man. You
That's
can't
it.
forget about them. Now, I spent $1,000 on batteries.
Yeah.
Shit. Them goddamn batteries, man. But yeah, y'all, man, my boy Jay, man,
Just fucking around. I don't need no you. Just fuck around. I don't need that shit.
He'll fuck around and do it. Let him run across a good deal on one. He gonna pull straight up over here. I already know it. I ain't worried about it though. I ain't worried about it. See, he know how to build them goddamn boxes. It's all good. I like this old truck though. It's nice. Yeah, we just shooting the shit, y'all. Just shooting the shit. We out, but I'm telling y'all, just wait. Just wait. Just wait. You gonna see. I ain't gonna lie. I'm more excited about messing with this truck than I am the Rivet. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like that slab shit. That is cool. But that windy bass in them right
Get
there.
all your music out of a real car.
Yeah.
Something big. That's where the sound come from.
Yeah.
You smothering
see-
that shit in the slab.
You see the room I got back
I
there?
know what's in there.
I might
It's like
as
this
well-
hill. It's like it's basically this motherfucking bed.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Cause
Same truck.
I ain't with no third row seat.
It's all this hill pretty much.
Shit.
This is basically what
So
it is.
look, I ain't gonna lie to you. Look, this what I've been thinking. I might as well go and take them 812s and put them in here and just give me 4 badass 12s and go port it in the river.
That last time. 2 bad motherfuckers.
4 bad motherfuckers. And port that in the river
Yep.
and put them eight.
You put 3 bad motherfuckers in there in the rib in a big quarter box. You still cut up. You still drop that one on.
And go port it, huh?
Big motherfucker. You know 3
So I'm gonna have to go all the way back in the lab on the river, fool.
Hey man. Ain't number
But
time.
I had this here.
It ain't number time though. You ain't
I
got number
had
time.
this here.
Yeah.
This'll take my
That-
mind off that river if
Yeah,
I
so you
put
get
them
more-
812s in there.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, we pulling up.
Yeah.
That'll take my mind off that river if I do that.
I think three bad motherfuckers in the river cut up.
3 12s in the river, put it
Big though.
big.
Can't be
On
no-
one big
some
ass
bitches
amp.
like them. Some big motherfucker. Them like 2800 RMS piece. Them 2800 RMS piece.
So
That's
you
3,000.
saying go 3 big ass 12s in
With
the
a-
river
with a whole lot of power.
with a whole lot of power in a big ass box.
Yep. You seen that dude had that fucking Impala?
See, now y'all see this, right? This is why I have trouble because I'm a bass head and
This shit
I
like
get
crack.
to talking to
It's
him
like crack.
and it's like crack. He say, man, he couldn't have said it. Hey, it's like crack. Man, I'm telling y'all, I'm
Like crack.
looking at them woofers sitting in there. He already gave me a cool price on building the box for that. I got them amps, I got them batteries. I be done took all this shit and put it in this truck.
Build a box in one day.
Ooh.
That's how fast we do it. We don't fuck around.
He say build a box in one day, man. Can y'all imagine? Lord have mercy.
A real box man can do it in 3 hours if you know what he's doing.
God damn.
And you know this. We done done it before, huh?
Yeah.
We done done it before.
Yep.
And I know
Damn.
real wood, birch, solid shit.
Man, see that dog? Y'all see that?
$45
Y'all see that, right? I'm about to put them 812s in here, man. Put it. 812s. I'm waiting to hear how that
Triple
sounds.
face.
That's gonna see. That's hey. That's the kind. Hey, look.
Not
That's
double
hey.
face,
Hey.
triple face.
Hey, look. Hey, look, Jay.
You gotta say triple face.
Hey, see, you can't experience this. You can do it with your beard, but that's the kind of bass make me take my hat on and ride. Have my shit. Yeah, you got your beard. Hey, say this man, this boy crazy, man. Hey, this man crazy,
My
man.
hammer strength.
Yeah.
My head was straight. Ain't got nothing on my head, but I got on my chitty chin chin. My head was straight.
This man crazy, man. Hey, but yeah, y'all, hey, I'm telling y'all, man, what my plan is, just watch and see. I be having to take care of a lot of business with my little bread, but once everything gets settled in place, watch what I do. Just watch. I might put them 812s in here, man, in the SUV, man. Get that windy bass. We gonna make it pop and be windy.
Yeah,
You can do that.
It's all in the tune.
It's all in the tune,
All in
baby.
the tune and with your settings in.
Tuning and power. We gonna make it pop and get windy. You don't believe me? Just stay tuned in and watch and see what Jay and Big G do in the SUV.
They call it the jail.
The jail.
The jail.
Hey, I'm telling y'all, man.
Jabbing them.
Hey, I'm telling y'all. Just watch. Just watch. I got a plan for y'all to show y'all, man. Big G like to do a lot of shit, man. Y'all gonna find out as I go. Just stay tuned in with me. I got y'all. I'ma holler at y'all later. Let me holler at this cat, man.